How to fix Roblox Crash 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Roblox Crash 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is just head over to your search bar and search for disk cleanup. So let's search for it, and then after that, let's open it. And then this will open the disk cleanup, and in here you can see the disk cleanup for your local disk. So you can just click and choose this downloaded program files and all of this that applies to you. Then after that, click on OK in order to clean up your disk. After you have cleaned up your disk, the next thing you need to do is to just head over and search for Roblox right here. And then from in there, click on uninstall. And then this will open your control panel, and in here you can see all the apps that you have. So just search again for Roblox in here. So just click on this and then uninstall it. Then after you have done that, just head over to your browser, search for Roblox download, and you should be able to download Roblox on your PC again once you have clicked on this official link of Roblox. So let's click on it, and as you can see, it's loading. So let's just wait for it, and then from in there you can just click on this download now or this get on Windows 10, and that should be able to install Roblox on your PC. The next thing you need to do, if that still doesn't fix your issue, is to head over to your Roblox. So in here, let's search again for Roblox. And then from in there, you can see that you can open the file location. So let's open the file location. And then from in there, just click on this Roblox player and right click on it. And then from in there, just click on properties. And then this will open this Roblox player properties. So here it is right here. What you need to do is just click on compatibility and make sure to check this disable full screen optimization and just run this program as administrator. And after that, click on apply right here and click on OK, and that should be able to save your settings. Now, if that still doesn't fix your issue, then what you need to do is just head over again to your browser, and then from in there, click on the three dots, click on the settings, and then this will direct you to the settings. And the next thing you need to do is just head over to privacy and security, and then from there you can see the clear browsing data. So you can just click on these cookies and other side data, because either way they are all vital on your process. So just click on these cookies and then just scroll down, and here you can see the see all site data informations. So you can search in here for Roblox. And then in here you can see the roblox.com, so you can just click on this trash icon in order to delete the Roblox site data informations. After that, click on clear right here, and that should be able to resolve your issue. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox Crash 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.